Hello. We are going to fix the crashing in Anno 117, okay? And we are going to the files, okay, of your PC, and we are going to the here, okay? Go to the here, okay? And in the your game, okay, Anno 117, you click here, okay, and we're going to the properties, and here in the properties you go to the here, okay, and if you have here have another thing, you eliminate, okay, delete, and in here in the compatibility you go to the here, okay, and the first option you put this, okay, and go to the Windows 8, okay, you applicate and accept. Okay, we are going to the Steam, okay, go to the Steam and go to the your Anno 117, and you put in the properties, okay, here in the updates, if you have any update, you update the game. Adios.